with Carson Vickroy.
I'm a little mad, Carson, because I just went and got so many groceries last night that we've had this story all morning. You know I love chicken nuggets. Now I know what I'm doing for lunch. I have to go try them.
There you go. Or dinner, Cynthia, for that matter.
Maybe dinner.
Maybe so. That's what I'm thinking about doing. I love spicy chicken.
Buffalo sauce behind you.
Yeah, unfortunately does look like that. And that is not a good thing. Now, spicy McNuggets, I'm sure, is a good thing, but Hurricane Sally is not a good thing, especially for Alabama and parts of northwest Florida. Now, the eye of the storm is coming ashore, but it is still moving very closely, but we are starting to see relief for parts of eastern Mississippi, all of southern Alabama, and also as we go into northwest Florida. So the threat is shifting inland now, and unfortunately, we still have 80-mile-per-hour winds, so that wind threat is not done by any stretch of the imagination, and this continues to push very slowly off to the north-northeast at 5 miles per hour. Now, the bullseye point, as I just mentioned, will be south and southeastern Alabama, eventually into parts of Georgia near Atlanta and Athens and Macomb. And what this is going to do is it's going to enhance that flash flooding threat, unfortunately. Now, the winds will come down some, but anywhere in this path, we do have the threat of isolated tornadoes as well. Now, that being said, here in East Texas, we're really not dealing with too much. We've got clouds out to our west, not much going on for our neck of the woods. However, this could change as we go into the afternoon. So this is your FUTURECAST model. Once again, those northeasterly winds will help ensure that we stay in the upper 80s and lower 90s today, so we're not going to have anything too out of the ordinary, but watch what happens after 6 o'clock. We're going to start to see the clouds diminish just a little bit. I'm calling for partly cloudy skies. However, off to our north at 9 o'clock in the morning, that's when we do see the potential of a little bit of drizzle, perhaps a shower and thunderstorm, maybe two. By 3 o'clock, we're dealing with more widespread rain, especially for our central counties here. Deep East Texas will remain dry, but that's not the case as we go into 5, 6 o'clock. You can see a layer of storms moves through, but everybody here in East Texas is done by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, as we go into your Friday, smooth sailing through the morning. It's going to be beautiful. I do expect those lows to be in the 60s and 70s, so really no concerns there. And then Friday afternoon, we might see a cloud or two more than what we see in the morning, but generally not half bad for us. Here are those temperature readings right now. We are in the 80s, and if these trends continue, I might have to push that high temperature just up a bit. It's 83 in Tyler, 82 in Gilmer, 86 in Longview. We hit 87 today. Some of us will be in the lower 90s. Some of us may not reach 87 degrees. Just kind of depends on where you are. Lows tonight will be falling into the lower 70s. So get outside in the mornings and enjoy them, because we're not going to escape the 80s in the afternoon, but we will escape those rain chances starting Friday. And it doesn't look like we're going to have a lot in the way of rain by the end of the weekend, and then Monday and Tuesday look dry as well. Deep East Texas, similar story. Today, tomorrow, just some rain chances, but we are dry on Friday. Cynthia?
Thanks, Carson.